Hi, it's Vias Taro. Hello, Aries Placements. Okay, so, love reading ngayong September. Okay, pagdating sa new person and sa person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung meron pa pong ibang tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, pagdating sa private reading, sa mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, and sa ating granter. Okay, and about cleansing, ayan, meron tayong ilalabas na new item. Okay, so abang-abang na lamang. Okay, so let's start. Aries. Okay, the new person. Tingnan natin the new person. Okay, this is for singles. This is for singles. Okay, new person, and then yung person on your mind nyo. Okay, so unahin natin the new person. So how do you see this person? How do you see them, Aries? How do you view this new person? Okay, the sun. Pwedeng fire sign. I think this person, sabihin nating napapasaya ka niya. Iba sa kanila ito, hindi para sa lahat. May pagka mayabang. Okay? Mapresko. Parang ganon. Okay? And some of them, tingin mo, nakakakuha ito ng maraming attention from other people. Okay? The sun and the Two of Swords. Yes, getting a lot of attention maybe from other people. Sanay sila na binibigyan sila ng attention, oras, effort. Okay, you view this person na someone na pwedeng sabihin natin attractive. Okay, they're open. Iba sa kanila, tingin mo hindi sila suplado or suplada. Yeah. Okay. Magaling silang makibilong. Parang ganun. Yeah. We have here Leo. Or air sign. Okay. So, how this person sees you. Okay, tingnan natin. How they view you. Anong tingin nila sa inyo? Tingnan natin. The Ace of Chalices. So, I think, ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to, na pwedeng marunong ka mag-alaga pagdating sa sarili mo. You're someone na pwedeng tingin nila is kind, thoughtful. Okay? Are you? Tinanong. Yun ang tingin nila eh. Yan ang tingin nila. Okay? Kind, thoughtful, generous, mga ganyan. Okay? The Page of Chalices Universe. Alam nyo, may arrogante itong taong to. Feeling niya, crush mo siya. Yes! Feeling niya, ramdam niya na gusto mo siya. Aries. Okay? Yes. So, siguro, kasi nga, pwedeng sanay sila na nakakakuha ng maraming atensyon sa ibang tao, mga ganyan. So, let's see, what is their emotion? Okay. What's their emotion? Their emotion. Hindi malabong nagsabi ka ng or nagpapakita ka ng interest sa taong to. So that is why may chance na yeah, kaya ganyan yung kanilang iniisip towards you, or ganyan yung tingin nila sa'yo, na parang crush mo siya, gusto mo siya. Okay? So, hindi naman para sa lahat yun, pero mayroong, may porsyento sa inyo na may naging tapat, may naging open pagdating sa emosyon. Okay? So, what is their emotion towards you, Aries? The Four of Swords in reversed. Okay, and emotion, the Ten of Chalices. What? Ang nakuha ko rito, nakakaramdam sila, ng something, okay, like, meron kang napupunan, okay, may napupunan ka, pwede kasing may kulang, na nararamdaman itong taong to pagdating sa sarili niya. Some of them, they're sad, actually. Okay, they're sad. Gustong-gusto ka nitong nakikita, gustong-gusto ka rin niyang nakakausap, I think. Kung hindi pa kayo nag-uusap nito, gusto ka niyang nakakausap, gusto niya na nakukuha niya yung attention mo, or time, okay? Pero pagdating sa emosyon, nakatago. Yeah, nakatago. Okay, the Queen of Swords in reversed. They're sad, actually. Gusto ka nito na, nakikita ka rin, nakakausap. Yeah. Nakakaramdam siya ng, comfort, whenever they see you, whenever you're around. Yeah, parang ganyan. Nakakaramdam sila ng, hi. Parang ganon. Nakikita ka niya. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. The Five of Swords. I don't know. Some of you, you're open talaga. Okay, iba sa inyo Open ka talaga pagdating sa taong to. Yes. And ang tingin niya, naiintindihan mo yung sitwasyon niya. Okay? I think parang naipoprovide mo yung something na kulang sa kanya. Parang ganun. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you, Aries? Itong new person, what is their next action towards you? Ooh. Oh, the King of Chalices. Being open, being upfront. Pagdating sa emotion niya, I think. Ooh. May pagkakamabutihan na akong nakikita rito. The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Slowly but surely. Yun ang naririnig ko. Yes. Slowly but surely. And wala rin silang oras na parang aaksayahin pagdating sa'yo. Okay? I think kung meron silang mga kailangang aksyon na gawin, hints, mga ganyan, ipakita sa'yo. Yeah. See, the Ace of Swords. Hints. Actions, words. Magiging tapat to, or magiging open siya, like transparent pagdating sa kung anong meron, anong mga kailangan lang gawin, mga kailangan sabihin. Okay? Their intentions, their emotions towards you, pwedeng magiging open na sila actually. Magkakapalagayan kasi ng loob, ha? Okay? So, anong advice for Aries placements pagdating dito sa new person? Advice, please. The Four of Wands in reverse. So, hanggat maaari, sabihin nating gawan nyo ng pundasyon itong connection nyo na to. Huwag nyo mamadalian nga. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Wands in reverse. Yeah, and the Eight of Swords. And the Eight of Swords. And I think kailangan yung ialis rin, yung mga sabihin nating delulu. Isipin, like negative thinking. Okay, pagdating dito. Okay, yeah, strength. Meron ditong kailangan pagpatibayin. Okay, dito sa connection nyo na to. Yeah, so siguro, yung parang mag-start as friends, parang ganyan nga, ano, yeah, the Knight of Pentacles, ito yung parang energy na slow burner. Okay, slow burner. Yung mga kailangang ang tawag dyan, i-express nyo. I-express mo. Okay? Kung anong kailangan. Kung nasa tingin ninyo. Yung parang mag-aalis ng harang dito sa connection. Or sabihin natin gate. Okay? Some of you, sabihin natin totally hindi pa let go sa past. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay? So, yun ang mga kailangang alisin. Okay, yeah, the Page of Wands. Start fresh, start new. Okay? This is new person. Okay? You're letting in. Okay? So, let go of the past. Okay, so tayo itumungo sa person on your mind. Okay, Aries, the person on your mind. Who is this? Who is this, Aries? Anong meron dyan sa person mo? The person on your mind. Anong meron sa kanya? Let's see. This is for September. Okay. The person on Aries' mind. The Ten of Chalices. Some of you, pwedeng asawa mo. Okay. You see this person as someone na pwedeng gusto mo nang makasama forever. May mga ganon. Okay. The Ten of Chalices. Some of you, may anak kayo. Temperance in reversed. Meron na ditong parang sumasablay-sablay ha. Okay? What's this temperance in reverse? Someone is not being equal or fair. Yeah, the Ace of Chalices. Yes, may natatapo na dito. Okay? Pwedeng Sag, water sign. Someone is more invested than the other. Okay? Anong situation nyo, Aries? Anong situation ninyo nitong iniisip mo ngayon na tao? Tingnan natin. What is your situation right now? The Tower. So, separation for some of you. Okay? Some of you, nandyan sa separation, may nangyaring endings, may nangyaring hindi inaasahan. What's with that Tower? Yeah, the Moon. Some of you, yung situation is sobra ng confusing. Okay? Meron ditong parang lagi na lang pinag-aawayan kung kayo ay magkasama pa. Lagi lang may pinag-aawayan. Nakikita ko rito yung parang sabihin nating away, arguments. Okay? Yeah. The King of Chalices is in the reverse. So maybe someone is not invested na emotionally. Okay? Or maybe emotionally immature yung isa sa inyo. Yeah, the Eight of Chalices. Pwedeng meron ng lumalayo. Meron ng lumalayo pagdating sa emosyon. Nagkakaroon na ng gap. Okay? Someone is sad pagdating sa separation for some of you. Okay? So, ano bang emosyon niya for you? Let's see. Para makita lang natin. Ano ang emosyon ng taong to pagdating sa'yo, Aries? The Page of Wands in reversed. And some of them, they're too immature. Okay? Page of Wands in reversed. And the Ten of Wands. Burden. Parang ayaw na niya sa'yo. Okay? Ayaw na niya. Ang dalas na ng pagsisinungaling dito. Yes. I don't know Some of you, itong taong to, pagod na rin sa pagkakaroon ng on and off ninyo. Pagod na rin. Or kung hindi man, itong taong to is may pagkaano lang talaga. Parang lagi na lang pasuko. Ayaw nila nung parang makakaramdam sila ng hirap pagdating sa situation. So it's like, ay, ayoko na nito. Hindi ko to kaya. Give up ko na. Parang ganun pagdating sa inyo. Okay? So ano bang ano bang dahilan sa past? Ano bang nangyari? Ano bang nangyari sa inyo sa past? The world, universe. So there's unfinished business. So maybe there's an issue na hindi na fix, kaya hanggang ngayon kahit nagbalikan, andun pa rin yung issue. Okay? So some of you, itong taong to naririndi. Okay? Naririndi na sa sitwasyon. Okay? Yes. Yeah, the world, universe. So mayroong unfinished business sa past. Okay? Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, the justice. Nag-flip. So, some of you, there's infidelity, may mga cheating na nangyari if ever. Okay, may mga third party na na-involve, mga ganyan. Okay, so tingnan natin what is their next action towards you. What is their next action towards you, Aries? Okay, the Six of Swords in reversed. Why? The Emperor in reverse. If, ito po ang nakuha ko rito, kung may separation, hayaan na lang nila yan. Okay? Pero, kung merong sabihin natin magkasama pa rin kayo, hindi niya gagawin, or hindi siya para mag-step up, hindi siya para umintindi. So, it's like, bahala na lang tayo, nandito na lang tayo, o wala akong gagawin dito, wala kang i-expect sa akin. Parang ganon. Kung anong nakita mo, yun pa rin. Wala akong gagawin pagbabago whatsoever. Okay? So, there's this hot and cold situation na pwedeng mangyari sa inyo sa mga magkakonect pa. Okay? So, yun nga. Sa mga hindi na magkakonect, may separation na, hindi ko nakikitang mag-step up itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Mga pababae, mga palalaki man. Kung ano man ang gender. Okay? So, anong outcome / advice for Aries placements? Some of you, you're in no contact. Okay? And takot itong taong to, or sabihin natin, hindi siya para mag-effort na mag-reach out. So, ano ba ang outcome / advice for Aries? Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. Focus on your career, on your stability, on your finances. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. Focus on yourself more. Okay, yeah, the Page of Swords. Yeah. Some of you, hindi nyo kailangan na parang sumunod, okay, sa flow na gusto ng taong ito. Kasi ito ang nakikita ko kasi, there's a lot of stalking, a lot of spying. Okay? Lalo na kung separated kayo. A lot. Okay? Ay, madam, hindi na po kami block ko na po yan binlock na rin po ako. So, wala nang chance na ma-stalk niya ako. Hindi ko po yun ulit, sasabihin ko. Hindi ko nilalagay sa option yung block. Okay? So, ngayon, naka-block ka doon sa kanya. Ano ginagawa mo? Diba? You're watching this. You're stalking the person. So, this is another way of stalking. Okay? So, hindi lang sa FB, kung ano man kayo site na nagko-connect. Hindi lang yun doon. Okay? Sa pakikibalita, ganun. Sa pakikichismis, oy, kamusta na kaya si Aries? Ganun. Okay? So, ang sinasabi rito, bigyan mo ng improvement yung sarili mo. Okay? Hayaan mo itong taong to na may malamang maganda pagdating sa iyo. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko. Give them something, okay? Give them something to watch. Kasi pinapanood ka eh. Okay? Sa mga separated na, yeah, they're watching you. They're stalking you. Give them something to watch. Okay? So, wag nyo hahayaan ang makikita nila is kalugmok-lugmok, kawawang-kawawa ka, matutuwa to. Ay, tama pala ang ginawa kong desisyon na makipag-separate. Okay? And yes, you don't need to do that. Okay? Na mag-effort, na na magkaroon ng improvement para lang sa may makita siya. You don't need. Okay? Kailangan mong gawin to para sa'yo. Okay? Not for other people. Not for them to see. Okay? Kung anong meron. Gets? Hayaan yung manghinayang tong taong to. Okay? Hayaan nyo din na manghinayang sila. Let them know kung anong meron pagdating sa'yo. Na wala kang limit pagdating sa growth mo. Na hindi sila yung magiging dahilan para maging kawawa ka na lang. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang ating reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.